Welcome to this video on SAP Sales and Distribution training in the USA. This guide provides a comprehensive overview for both beginners and professionals, covering key areas like logistics, sales operations, and supply chain management within the SAP ecosystem. Businesses across the USA rely on SAP SD to manage their critical customer-facing operations. This process, known as the order-to-cash cycle, involves three main stages: capturing customer demand through order processing, fulfilling physical logistics, and finalizing financial transactions through billing. There are two primary paths into the SAP ecosystem. Fresh beginners can start with SAP SD to learn foundational business processes. For supply chain professionals, mastering this module enhances career growth by providing insight into the complete order-to-cash cycle and cross-module integration. When mapping your ideal career path, consider your background. SAP SD is ideal for those interested in sales and customer service. Other modules, like production planning or finance and controlling, cater to different professional interests, but all offer strong career prospects in the US market. Becoming a consultant involves a 6-step progression. We start with SD fundamentals and move through core processes, configuration, and real-time scenarios. We then explore integrations with other modules before concluding with comprehensive job preparation. Understanding the integration between SAP SD and other modules, such as production planning, provides a major competitive advantage. Sales orders trigger production and material planning, showcasing the cross-functional power of the SAP S/4HANA system. Our training ecosystem focuses on quality and job readiness. We offer live, instructor-led sessions, direct system access, and practical, industry-focused applications. Our goal is to move you confidently from training to employment with resume prep and mock interviews. In conclusion, SAP SD remains a highly in-demand skill in the USA. Whether you are just starting or looking to upgrade your professional expertise, our practical, scenario-driven training is your gateway to a successful career in logistics and supply chain management.